We're gonna take the doggy on her first car meet. She's munching up. Ignore her mess. Yeah, haven't cleaned it yet. Look, she's ready to go. Huh, Sylvie? You ready to go? Let's go. Yeah, pretty much. You never seen this car? Our old co-worker. Oh, another one. Hey, can I get a picture with y'all?
I'm like, where?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Soft too. Yeah. Of course. You're gonna leave me?
Did you see this whole ass PC, bro?
Oh my god, I got a PC in the back?
Wrong group, Sylvie. Wrong group. That's not us. Bruh, I'm surprised they don't have remote control cars out here. Brother, the water.
That's motherfucking cute.
Oh, dude, right? Bro, she got can't go around me, bro. That's dope. Rebel. Where's your part? Oh, you're not too bad, though.
Don't bite me, bitch.
Probably, that shit sounds dope. Yo, shoot, bro.
Gotcha, bitch!
I'm tired of doing fucking donuts and shit, bro. All you hear is thinking no,
because the cashier or something, I didn't feel. Oh, your eyes are a little red. Yeah, it's just that one.
hey, I'll follow you.
Follow again?
Okay. So we can't go to the main street because there's cops kind of like blocking it. But then there's people out here driving stupid.
In 1 mile, turn right onto West 30th Street.
That's Christian right there. Which I think this is them. Yeah, that's them right there. Ah! Got wet. My turn. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What did I pay? This shit look crusty, bro. Oh my god.